Hey guys, welcome back to Belgium Tamilan YouTube channel. So today is going to be a pretty exciting day because we are at one of the most famous places on the India-Pakistan border, the Vadha border. And honestly, I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Today, we are going to take you along from the moment we enter the BSF area, all the way to the evening ceremony and, of course, the famous flag lowering ceremony. So, enough talking. Let's get inside. Alright guys, we've just reached the entrance. And the first thing you notice here is the security. There's a proper checking process before you enter, so make sure you follow the instructions and keep your belongings organized. Once you get through the entrance, though, the whole vibe changes. You start seeing people everywhere. Families, tourists, kids, groups of friends. And pretty much everyone has one thing in common, they're excited. And you can tell because the cameras are already out. Phones are already recording. Everyone is looking for the perfect spot. And honestly, I'm doing exactly the same thing. Because if you come all the way to Vadha border and don't record anything, did you even come? Now we are walking toward the main ceremony area. And let me tell you, the energy is already building up. You can hear patriotic songs playing. People are cheering. Some people are taking selfies. Some are recording everything. And some people are just standing there trying to figure out what's going on. But that's the fun part. You can actually feel the excitement increasing as you get closer to the ceremony area. And the closer we get, the more crowded it becomes. So, if you're planning to come here, I would definitely recommend arriving early. Because once the crowd starts coming in, finding a good spot can become a mission. Okay guys, we've finally made it to the viewing area. And now we wait. The ceremony hasn't started yet. But honestly, the crowd itself is entertainment. Everyone is excited. People are talking. Kids are waving flags. Cameras are everywhere. And you can feel that something big is about to happen. And then, suddenly, the atmosphere changes. The ceremony is about to start. You can hear the crowd getting louder. People are cheering. And everyone immediately turns their attention toward the border. This is the moment everyone has been waiting for. The BSF regular parade is started and here we go. The BSF personnel are entering the ceremony area. And wow! The energy is completely different now. The movements are sharp. The coordination is incredible. And the confidence. Just look at the confidence. You can actually hear the crowd reacting to every move. Every step gets a response. Every big moment gets louder cheers. And honestly, sitting here watching it live, it gives you goosebumps. The ceremony keeps going. And the crowd is getting more and more involved. People are cheering at the top of their voices. Some are waving the Indian flag. Everyone is trying to capture the best possible video. And I'm thinking, how am I supposed to enjoy this and hold the camera steady at the same time? Because the second something exciting happens, my camera is shaking. But that's what makes a travel vlog like this fun. You're not just watching the ceremony. You're actually experiencing it. You're surrounded by hundreds of people. You can hear the cheers. You can feel the excitement. And you're standing right there watching everything happen in front of you. Pause. Now, the sun is starting to go down. And this is where things get even more interesting. The evening is setting in. The lights are coming on. And everyone knows what's coming next. The flag lowering ceremony. And suddenly, everyone has their phones out again. Seriously, if there was ever a moment when everyone becomes a professional photographer, this is it. People are zooming in. People are holding their phones above their heads. Somebody in front of me has their phone so high. I'm basically watching their phone instead of the ceremony. But that's the atmosphere here. Everyone wants to capture this moment. And honestly, I don't blame them. Now we are getting closer to the final part of the ceremony. The national flags are about to be lowered ceremonially. The crowd becomes quieter for a moment. Everyone is watching. The atmosphere suddenly feels a little more serious. And then, the flags begin to come down. This is one of those moments where you actually stop talking for a second. You just watch. The ceremony is very precise. That went by much faster than I expected. A few minutes ago, this place was absolutely buzzing. People were cheering. Music was playing. Everyone was recording. And now, everyone is slowly heading out. And honestly, guys, what an experience! From entering the BSF area, to walking through the crowd, to waiting for the ceremony, to seeing the incredible energy of the BSF personnel, and finally watching the evening flag lowering ceremony.